Hi guys, I'm back. So what I have done now is I have updated the setup because it was quite seems to be impossible with only one LDR. So what I have done is I have taken two LDRs. So one on the left and other one on the right. So just to compare the two values. Right now still the setup is one dimensional and I'll show you how it works. So this is our setup. Right now this motor is not connected, only the lower motor is connected, so it is only one dimensional left to right now. This is our Arduino board and this is our setup. This is our laptop. Let me give it some power. And so right now what it is doing is, if I'll go and yeah, so you can see here it is scanning. Okay, it is going crazy because the angle seems to be below 80 degrees. Okay. Wow. Okay, so right now the source of light is my window, and so you can see now it is trying to align itself towards the light source, and it is quite stable now. So let me show you the progress, how I achieved this much, because the hurdles that I found was quite a lot. So you can see here I have LED here as well. So if I'll put LED light on it, it will come towards LED and then stop. So if the angle goes beyond 180 degrees, it scans again. Otherwise, if I'll move the light source, it will try to find a balance point. And in these kind of situations, I need to upgrade the code a bit. But right now it is trying to stabilize itself. And if the artificial light source is gone, it will align itself again towards the second most effective light source, that is sun, for now, because it is indirectly affecting it. So let me quickly upload the code, and this one was our first code. I will share the code as well. So this one is experiment with two LDRs. If I'll press Ctrl U, it is you can see it is uploading, and in our Arduino you can see some transfer is happening. That is gone. So this was the first experiment, and when I'll reset the button, okay, need to reset Arduino. Seems yeah. So you can see a lot of jerking. The thing is, it is not stable now. It is unstable. And if I'll open graph on my laptop, you can see what is happening. So two values are quite same, but they are jerking a lot. You can see a lot of values because not at every instance of angle the value is not same in both the resistors. So it is trying to adjust itself so both the values become equal, which is never going to happen. So it is going to dance all the time if we'll use that code. But then if I'll close that and I'll go to my experiment, there is a concept of PID controller. So I try to implement that, and let's see what happens if I'll upload that code. I press Ctrl U and it is uploading in my Arduino. Okay, done. And it will take us rest of 1 second or 2 seconds. Let me press the reset button. Okay. Is there some delay? Yeah. Okay. So if I'll put the light source on this resistor or this resistor, something happening? Nope. Let's see the graph. What is happening actually? So you can see with PID controller, it is quite I'm not sure how it is working. I have given two values to it. and you can see my PID factors, and it was quite difficult for me to make it work, but then I came up with another approach, a bit advanced, PID1 and yeah, PID test 2. So if I'll control home, I will share the code, and I do not want to record the video like that, but still I don't have choice. So control U to upload the new code. This is our test 2 that I have done. Uploaded. I will press the reset button. Okay, nice. It came towards the light source and then became stable. You can see stability. And if I'll open the graph, and let me close the graph, let me open it again so it can have new values. So you can see this is what I'll say change in value difference. So right now the change sometimes becomes 0 and sometimes become quite a lot. And if you will leave the setup in the normal sunlight, it will automatically align itself, keep on aligning, but not that much, with not that much jerk. So it is right now trying to be stable, and here you can see it is very moving. I have achieved the stability without losing the accuracy. You can see I am holding now this LED, and the amount of light that falls on it changes, and it is affecting the angle. So if I'll go toward like that, this issue is still there, but you can see now it is kind of stable. I can add another condition, if statement, and then it will become more stable. So if the sunlight is directed towards it, you can see it is quite stable. Now it is stable. So I have removed the LED, and it should go back to its other value. You can see here when the LED was there, the difference went high, and then it tries to become stable, and then the curve was stabilized. Now the difference is quite high. So this blue line shows the difference between the two LDRs, and this should be 0 actually, but it is not 0 right now because one is having shadow, other one is having a lot of light, the number 2 having shadow. So I'm not sure why. So let me try to see if my motor is good. It was stuck. Okay, so it is again trying to do that. I will attach my LED again, try to see the same thing. I will try to focus on that point. Okay, and then if I'll remove the LED, it should go back towards my window. The issue I found is because I kind of damaged my motor. So yeah, let me adjust the base so it will not reach up to 180 degrees if I'll show you the demo. Okay, so yeah, almost looking towards the sun or the LED. It is again. Okay, I will do like that. I want to find a angle. This is the minimum angle, 0 degrees, so it should go like that. Okay, yeah, it no matter what, if you will move the base, yeah, if you will move it more than 0 degrees, so it will keep on scanning. Right now it is parallel to the it is going towards 180 degrees and getting stuck because the motor has hardware issues. Although this is now aligned at 0 degrees, I will try to keep it at 10 degrees. That's nice. Even if I'll move the base, the motor keeps the same angle. You can see. And if I'll put the light on it, it comes towards the light. and once it is finding the spot and becoming stable, kind of stable, not too much, you can see still see jerks. And if I'll remove the light, and it will go back, and here in the graph you can see, I will try to record a video that I can show that with the help of graph as well. Okay, I think the video is going long, so I'm going to stop it. Thank you so much for your time, and if you have any question, please ask the questions. I'll try to help out. Okay, bye bye.